Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to design a pipe. In this case I will talk about bend pipe, a pipe which is placed at the corner to turn the direction of the pipe. So let's start with a line command. Initiate the tool, then specify a base point, give length of 25 unit vertical and another 25 unit horizontal. Next we will trim or bend these sharp edges. For that we are going to use fillet tool. Click the command, select radius option, give 10 unit radius, press enter, then choose these two lines. Now we will add a circle of radius 10 unit, but before that we have to change this to 3D workspace and also the plane. Type UCS, then press enter. Click here and here so that vertical direction faces upward. Now apply a circle. Click here at the end point. Give radius 10 unit. So we need the circle to pass through this path. For that we are going to use sweep command. Select the tool, choose the circle, press enter, then select the path again. We need to change the plane. Type UCS, click here and here. Now we have Z plane in vertical direction. This changing plane helps you to view the object in top plane. Now change to wireframe. I want to add one more arc from this edge. Choose 3-point arc and choose these 3 points. Now create two more circles. First change to 2D workspace. The first circle give radius of 10 unit, then second one 9 unit, then we will make it half circle. So cut in the middle, then trim these lines. Let's offset this through 0.5 unit in outer direction. Now extend this line, also this line, extend it. Next we will take this arc, we move it and paste it here. Now we are going to rotate this arc through 90-degree angle. For that we are going to use 3D rotate tool. Type it at command prompt and press enter. Select the object and press enter. Choose the end point, give 90-degree angle, then move it to this point. We will apply sweep command. Before that we don't need this middle line, so we will hide. Select, then hide by using this toolbar button. Now apply sweep tool, select the object and choose the path. So our last step will be joining these two figures. So move this around this point and keep it here. So now let's change or rotate this object. Rotate around midpoint to an angle of 90 degree. Now move this object from this corner and place it here. So the design is complete. Change this to realistic or shaded to see more clearly. Sometimes you will find these geometries separate, and that happens when you don't align the objects very well. Then surface object will be created. For that case you need to convert the surface object into 3D so that the geometries match. Or you can use this thicken tool. This command allows you to thicken the object, then the object automatically updates to 3D. So now we also need to subtract this geometry from the rest objects. For that we will use subtract tool. Click to initiate the tool, select object and press enter. Select this part and press enter. Now we need to make holes on both ends. For that we are going to use shell tool. Click this flyout, choose shell, then select object, orbit it, select both faces and press enter. So you have complete pipe designed. If your geometry has separate entities, then you can apply join or union command to make it single unit. In this way, you will be able to design different pipes, whether it is bend or junction pipe, by using simple basic tools in both 2D and 3D geometry. So this was all about in this practice question. In the next lecture, we will solve more questions of this kind.